Decent air handling units, innovation-driven, quality excellence. At Decent, the technical team creates excellence with craftsmanship. Innovative design, distinction. Meticulously selected for distinction. Decent AHU ensures optimal materials from the source and rigorously controls every production stage. Meticulously selected for excellence. Decent AHU ensures optimal materials from the source and rigorously controls every production stage. Professional team, exquisite craftsmanship, Decent AHU's performance commitment, the strength of the structure, the display of performance, Decent AHU, sturdy and durable. Filters, multiple brand options. Efficient heat exchange, precise control. Carefully selected brands to ensure quality. Partnering with renowned global brands for excellence. After a series of rigorous performance tests, ensure the perfect performance of each device. Advanced equipment, casting excellence, Decent AHU. Every detail is carefully crafted by professional hands. Every detail is strictly inspected. Decent AHU ensures that every screw is tightened to the highest standards. The base and the housing are a combination of stability and beauty. The fan is the heart of Decent AHU. We choose the most efficient fan with strong wind and silent operation to ensure the excellent performance of the equipment. The compressor is the power source of Decent AHU. We use internationally renowned brands to ensure the stability and long life of the equipment. The cooling coil has efficient heat exchange, energy saving, and environmental protection. Decent air handling units brings you the best cooling effect. At Decent, every test is crucial. Our laboratory is equipped with the most advanced testing equipment to ensure that the performance of each AHU meets the highest standards. Accurate measurement, strict standards. The testing process of Decent AHU is the final test of product performance. Each Decent AHU is strictly tested and continuously optimized. Our goal is to provide a nearly perfect product. The trust of our customers is our greatest wealth. Decent AHU has won wide acclaim around the world. Service excellence, word-free after sales. Decent AHU maintains close contact with customers, providing top-notch after-sales service to ensure satisfaction with Decent support. Safe transportation and on-time delivery. Decent AHU adopts professional packaging and transportation methods to ensure that the products reach every customer safely. Innovation is our DNA. Decent AHU continuously develops new technologies to lead the industry trend. Research and development is our driving force for continuous progress. Decent AHU is committed to providing more efficient and environmentally friendly solutions. Decent AHU is committed to providing more efficient and environmentally friendly solutions.